Hey, thanks for watching. In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into the second value in the Agile Manifesto: working software or solution over comprehensive documentation. Please hit that like button to help promote the channel to help more people with the Agile mindset and behaviors. This video is part of the Agile Manifesto series, where I go into more detail about the 4 values and 12 principles of Agile. In each video, I will be introducing a value or principle, covering a team example, a stakeholder/customer example, and a leadership example for behaviors and choices you can make daily. So, subscribe to the channel for Agile-related content. Let's go. Working software or solution over comprehensive documentation emphasizes that the priority is to create and deliver a working solution or software as quickly as possible, rather than spending a lot of time creating extensive documentation. The idea is to allow for flexibility and the ability to quickly respond to changes and new requirements, rather than being slowed down by having to update and manage overly detailed documentation. So, what does this look like? Let's look at this in a team context. This value can be lived in small day-to-day choices, like documenting just enough to have common understanding and getting started. User stories are particularly helpful with this. I'll be covering those in another video. Build versions and prototypes of the solution to put in front of customers and stakeholders to gather feedback. Humans are better at reacting than abstract thinking, so we are better at looking at something and sharing what we want instead of describing it from imagination. Ask yourself, where can we start right now? For stakeholders and customers, if you a stakeholder or customer, living this value can be in the form of choosing to interact with the prototype, attending demos, and speaking directly to the people working on the solution. This allows for understanding what is and is not possible from what you are requesting. Give lots of feedback and gather feedback and other insights that enable you to make better decisions. Continuously ask yourself, what's the least required to solve my problem? This allows for you and the team to stay focused on what's most important and may cost you less time and money in the process. For people or senior leaders, one of the main ways of living this value means to being open to change based on business needs or as new information becomes available. Helping the team understand the customer's needs and priorities, and using that understanding to drive changes to the project as needed. Providing support and resources to help the team adapt to changing requirements. And lastly, being clear on what's absolutely necessary versus nice to have help you and the team stay focused on the most important things to address. So, does this mean we shouldn't have any documentation at all? This value encourages us to address the request or customer need or task at hand first. Remember, this does not mean we don't have documents to store critical information in a clear and concise manner. Try different tools that help you manage, update, and communicate with clarity and ease versus relying on rigid templates. How else have you seen this value being exemplified? Drop a comment below. Like and subscribe for more Agile-related content. Catch you on the next one.